Welcome back to Next Stop English, everyone. Today we have a special guest, Leo. Welcome, Leo.
Thank you, Emma. I have a problem. I need your help.
Of course. Tell me, what problem do you have?
I can't speak English fluently. I can't speak English fluently.
That is very common, Leo. Have you been practicing?
I practice, but it's hard for me to speak confidently. I practice, but it's hard for me to speak confidently.
How long have you been practicing?
I have been practicing for a month now. I have been practicing for a month now.
Building confidence takes time, Leo. It can take several months.
I see. I practice for an hour every day. Is that enough? I practice for an hour every day. Is that enough?
That is good, but do you have someone to practice English with?
Not really. I practice alone. I simply watch your channel. Not really. I practice alone. I simply watch your channel.
Ah, now I see the problem. The problem is you are not practicing speaking.
What do you mean?
If you want to speak fluently, you need to practice speaking. The first step is to listen and repeat what you hear.
Okay, so I need to listen and then say it out loud. Okay, so I need to listen and then say it out loud.
Exactly. Thanks. Subscribe to this channel and I'll share other tips.
I'll do it right away. Wait, Emma. I have another problem.
Oh dear. What exactly is the problem?
My printer is not working. Is it connected to the computer?
Have you checked if there's paper in the printer?
Yes, there is paper, but it still won't work.
Okay. Did you try turning it off and on again?
No, I didn't. I'll try that now.
Great. Now, do you have another problem?
Yes, my computer turns on, but the internet is not working.
Have you checked the Wi-Fi connection?
Yes, I did, but it still doesn't work.
The simplest fix. Did you try restarting the router?
No, not yet. I'll do that now.
Excellent, Leo. Let me know if it helps. I appreciate your effort.
Thank you for your help, Emma.
Leo, I hope that's all your problems for today.
No, wait, there is one last problem. My car won't start.
Okay. Have you tried turning the key?
Yes, I did, but nothing happens.
Did you check if the battery is working? If not, you can ask someone for a jump start.
What's a jump start?
It's when you use another vehicle's battery to start your car using jumper cables.
Oh, I see. I'll try that now. Thank you for the suggestion.
You are welcome, Leo. Remember, if it still doesn't work, you might need a mechanic. You did great today. Keep speaking out loud.
I will. See you next time.